all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel, it's Ray World of. Today, I'm gonna deploy my machine learning app to AWS ECS. So this video is in continuation of this video in which I have deployed a machine learning model which is used for salary classification to using streamlit and Docker. So this video is continuation to it. I will show you Dockerfile. So this is my Dockerfile. This is using base images as Python 3.7, making a directory GUI salary, copying all the contents that are present inside this directory to GUI salary, setting the working directory as GUI salary, exposing the port 8501, installing the requirements.txt, and running my streamlit app. The same command that I've learned earlier. I will show you requirements.txt. This requirement.txt contains all the libraries that is necessary to run my streamlit app. So it's time to build the image. Docker build -t sarkar 3999. This is my username. ML app streamlit with tag latest dot. So I will look for Dockerfile in my working directory. So from the cache it picked and built the image. I will show you Docker images grep and ML app. So this is the app that it built. Its size is 1.59 GB. So let's push our image to DockerHub. Login -username equal to sarkar 3999. So my login to DockerHub has succeeded. Now it's time to push our image. DockerHub push. Name of my image Arthur 3999 ML app underscore streamlit tag latest. So ML app underscore streamlit latest. Yeah, let's push it. So it's so my image is getting pushed to DockerHub. It might take some time because it's a large image of 1.5 approx GB. So I will resume the video after my image has been pushed to Docker. So my push of my image to DockerHub is complete. Let's check. As you can see, my image has been uploaded to DockerHub with the tag latest. Now it's time to set up AWS ECS. So let's set up AWS ECS service. Click on custom. Give the container name as ML app streamlit. Give the image name. Okay, port mapping. Port will be 8501. Okay, seems good, all good. Application load type balancer type is application load balancer. ML app cluster. Click on next and click on create. So this is the service where we'll be deploying our container and providing a URL with a service of load balancing, such that if the traffic increases to a container, it will automatically launch a new Docker container. So it might take some time. I will pause resume the video after the setup is complete. So my AWS ECS setup is complete. Click on load balancer URL. It will provide a DNS. Yeah, that's our container is little. As you can see, now everything is working fine. Let's enter our values and check whether income of the individual is less than 50k or greater than 50k. So individual income is 50k. So in this video I have deployed machine learning app using Docker and AWS ECS. So hope you like this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.